Yesterday, I uploaded this video right here. This happened in America. Awake yet? This deals with the police state where the FBI troops, the standing armies that the forefathers warned us against and made an amendment about, see amendment number 3 in the Bill of Rights. They picked up this guy named Nathan Hughes. You remember that? We're going to watch this angle, but we have another angle. Stay tuned because you're going to want to see it. You hear the voice of that cameraman in this video from this angle. We're going to look at it from his perspective, from his angle, and then we're going to look at another example of FBI standing armies coming against another fellow American. Stay tuned. You're going to want to watch this. That right there is Nathan Hughes. Look at this.
No.
So emboldened. She would never, ever think about approaching this guy if she wasn't wearing that uniform, badge, and gun, coming with the FBI authority. Ever. Ever.
You work here? He's one of the owners.
Now we're going to learn a little something about this guy right here too in a second. Just stay tuned.
FBI. What?
You good? Huh? I got you.
Now you hear the guy talking? The guy talking is this guy right here. This guy's got his video camera up in the air. We're going to watch his angle in a second.
Hands off, man. Get your hands off. Get your hands off.
You hear him say, "Get your hands off me." Let's watch that angle right now.
Sir, please step back.
Don't get anywhere close to me.
Please step back.
But I'm not doing anything wrong.
I know you're not
Get
doing
away
anything
from
wrong,
me.
but please-
Don't get your fucking hands
Please
off
step
me.
back.
Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me.
Now, if you're recording police state operations, you are a hero. You're a patriot. He's actually doing the guy, Nathan Hughes, a favor by recording this whole incident so that if something goes down, which it is going down, we've got documented evidence and we do not have to rely on the word of any law enforcer, any lying law enforcer.
Sir, stop right there.
It doesn't matter.
No, you don't
I'm
need
not
to walk
doing anything
into-
wrong. Get your fucking hands off me.
You don't need to walk
Get
into
your
where we're
fucking
arresting
hands.
somebody right now. Do you
It doesn't
understand
matter.
that?
Get your fucking hands off me. Don't touch me.
Yo,
Now, here's
come on,
this
man.
guy.
Step back here with me, man.
Look
Come
at
on, I
this.
got you. We're going to step over here. I got him, boss. He good. He good. Come on. We good. We good. We good. We good.
No, we ain't good. We're in a police state and I'm recording and you're trying to bring me off the wall. I'm the watchman on the wall trying to show Americans what the heck is going on here. And you're going, no, we good. We good. Come on over here. Come on, stop recording. No way, dude. Stop being a compliant, bootlicking, leather munching order follower.
Step over here.
Fucking touch me.
Please stop
Don't
walking. Please stop
fucking
walking
touch me. Put your-
forward.
I got him. I got him. I got him. I got him. He good. We good.
Get the fuck
We good.
away from me. Don't touch me. Don't put
You
your
can
fucking
step back there.
Don't put your fucking hands on me.
We good. He good.
Don't touch
I got
me.
him. He good.
Tell somebody to secure his car. I'm gonna get these keys and we're still- Hey, walk.
Don't
It doesn't
antagonize.
matter.
Good for this guy. This guy's got cojones, man. That's what we need.
Hey man, this is as far as you can
Don't.
go, okay?
No.
I'm not gonna touch
No.
you. You can't get close to him.
I could be right here.
Yes,
Don't touch me.
you
Stay
can.
right there. Please don't get any closer.
Don't touch me.
Sir.
Don't fucking touch me.
Hey, please. Hey man, please don't go right here. Hey, sir.
Don't.
I'm gonna-
Don't touch me.
This
Don't-
is a
keep
crime.
your
What are these cops doing? These FBI agents, whoever they are, they're not even going to identify themselves. They have no identifying badges. There are no nameplates. There are no name numbers. There's nothing. They're not giving any kind of information. What are they doing right now? They're depriving of this guy of his rights under color of, hey, this is a crime scene. We got an emergency here. You need to step back. Emergencies and crime scenes don't trump individual unalienable constitutional rights.
fucking hands off me. Don't touch me.
Step back over there.
Don't fucking touch me.
Step back over there.
Don't fucking touch me.
Step back. There you go. Thank you. Step back. You're walking between our cars.
And what?
This doesn't mean
Interfering
shit.
with the arrest. Yes, you are.
Interfering.
We're conducting
Why?
arrest right now.
Hey.
What's the arrest about, boss?
Yeah.
That is his business, not yours.
Interfering. Obstruction. You're getting in the way of our investigation.
What you imagine? You have to tell me.
I don't tell you anything.
Look at that. Look at the insolence. The insolence for American freedoms on his face. And you know what the irony is? That this guy who's coming against the cameraman's liberties is actually coming against his own liberties, because one day he's going to want to exercise some freedoms and people ain't going to let him, because he chose not to stand up for American freedoms. He chose not to stand up for his family's American freedoms, because he's out here doing the bidding of the man. Stay tuned. He gets worse.
I don't tell you anything.
Oh, you don't? What's your badge?
Tell you anything.
Tell you anything.
Bunch of drones. I don't have to tell you anything. I don't have to tell you anything.
All you put your fucking hands on me. This guy put his
Hey,
hands
who's
on me.
Philip?
What?
Which one's Philip?
Huh?
We're just trying to
He's not here. Hey, why did you put your hand?
What a bunch of punks, weasels, and cowards. This should infuriate every single American.
He said the keys are in the car, so if y'all want to like pull it
I'll
around
move
and
the
lock,
car.
and lock it and secure it.
I'll move it.
Okay, perfect. Kim, come. Hey, can you get the PD guys over here? Sir,
Watch
do
this.
not stand close to that car.
What do you? Why?
Because I'm asking you
I'm
to.
allowed, but you're asking me. I'm allowed to go over there. I'm allowed to go over
I
there.
understand what you think you're allowed to do. Just please stay away from our people for a second.
I'm allowed. To
I'm
go
asking
over
nicely, man.
there.
trying
allowed
to be
to
cool.
go over there, though.
I understand that.
Okay.
I am asking you to stay away from it for a second.
And I'm saying that I'm allowed to go over there.
I'm not going to allow you to go over there by them.
Why?
Because they're having a conversation with him.
That has nothing to do with me.
I know.
So I'm allowed to go over there.
Sir,
By law, I'm allowed to go wherever I want
I'm
to.
trying to be cool,
I'm-
man.
I'm trying to be cool, man. Guess what? Cool tyranny is still tyranny. Nice tyranny is still tyranny. Tyranny with a smile is still tyranny.
I'm allowed to go over
I
there.
know that. Please be cool.
This Donald Trump Jr. looking dude with a FBI and camoed vest on.
Okay, so if you know that and I know that, I can go over there and fucking videotape
Are
this.
they done yet?
Fucking pile of shit.
Yep. Yep.
Back up.
Back up. Why? I'm allowed to be right here.
Allowed. No, you're free. You're an American. You're not allowed. You don't need permission from the state to be somewhere. You know that you have a right. You have the freedom to be. Free men don't ask for permission. They don't need a permit. They don't need approval. They don't need authority. They don't need a grant. They just need to be men.
Fuck you.
FTP all day long. FTP. Now, in case you thought, just for a second, no, we don't live in a place where we've got standing armies of people terrorizing other Americans on American soil. You got to be kidding. This is the land of the free, home of the brave. This right here was posted under the Hodge twins post of this secondary different angle shot where Hughes is getting arrested. And she says, I'm sure you guys won't see this. We will, and we will post it. And hopefully we'll get some traction on this. We also got arrested and raided by the FBI for you know what. At the end of the video, they cover my home security camera with tape and then proceed to laugh about it. Watch this. Imagine your house getting swarmed, your family getting swarmed like this. Guns drawn, orders being given and issued. This is nightmarish, guys. Man number one with a gun. Man number two with a gun. Man number three with a gun. Somebody else is driving up. Man number four with a gun. Oh, we're going to get behind the house, in front of the house.
FBI, we have a warrant! Come to the door!
Wonder if they did have a warrant.
Come to the door! FBI, show us your hands. Step out, step out, step out.
Look at this.
All the way out, step to the side, around.
I mean, it would only take 1 second for you to lose your life.
Hey, belt inside.
They got their fingers on the trigger, guns pointed right at you, center mass. Anybody could freak out. Let's say somebody drove by and they had a bad exhaust and it backfired, and these guys with these itchy trigger fingers, hey, it's happened before. It's happened time and time again. Remember Daniel Shaver in that hallway that La Quinta Inn? I'll never stop talking about him. Mesa Police Department had 5 guys deep inside the hallway with all their Kevlar vests on and their guns pointed at him, giving these rapid fire commands, and Daniel Shaver is trying his best to comply with all this. He stumbles a little bit. He tries to pull up his shorts. Boom. Daniel Shaver, no longer with us. That's all it would take.
Show us your hands. Hands empty, and it's you. Show us your hands. Keep your hands up.
They have these people's lives in their hands.
Watch me. Watch me. See some of the cuff. Come to the door. Turn around slowly. Take one big step backwards to your left. Deborah, anybody else inside? No. Yes, there, roll straight ahead. Yes. Hey, anybody else in the house besides you two?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I counted 8 guys. No telling how many people are in the backyard. Just a swarm. Just this little band of troops. There they go. They're going to go in and ransack the house. I'm going to fast forward this a little bit. Oh, now. Oh, what's the deal with the camera? Look, they're so interested in transparency. Look, more people going into your house. Your house. They're going into my house. Watch. They see the camera. Oh, what's the deal with this camera? I got to hide my face. Oh, he gets out a piece of tape. Oh, man, we got to cover that because we're transparent, because we're the good guys. Do good guys cover up cameras? Do good guys unplug your internet? Listen to him laugh about it, too. Hey, nice shot. Yeah, now we can exact our tyranny and nobody's going to be any the wiser because we're not wearing body cameras. And even if we did, we're going to turn them off. So we're going to turn the surveillance cameras off because we're not the good guys. She says this happened about 2.5 years ago. This person said this is absolutely horrifying that American citizens would be treated this way. This happened about 2 years ago, she said. Did they arrest you locally or did they kidnap you by taking you to D.C.? She says locally. This is disgusting, man. This is disgusting. And that any American, conservative, liberal, Democrat, Republican, libertarian, it doesn't matter, that any American or any person anywhere would put up with this kind of treatment and these standing armies in this police state is disgusting. And that's why I make these videos, so that you can share these videos with other people so that we can keep this from happening. You have the right to record cops. They're your public servants. You are their public master. They have no right to tell you to stop exercising your rights. And when they do, they've deprived you of your rights under color of law. They have a U.S. code for that. That's 18 U.S.C. 242. And they're also conspiring against people's rights in violation of 18 U.S.C. 241. Look it up. Inform yourself. Knowledge is power. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell notification icon. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list or my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab a shirt. But the takeaway of this is you have freedom. And that freedom is priceless. And the only way to maintain that freedom is through eternal vigilance. And indifference to this notion is the means by which the people have and will secure their own oppression. I will see you in the next video.